When starting an e-commerce store using Magento, the primary issue that should really bother you is how to secure your Magento website. Magento comes with some powerful built-in security features, but you must do something to strengthen your site and keep it free from potential attacks and data loss. In this video, we'll tell you how you can secure your Magento store and the best ways to do it. So, keep on watching. Number 1. Install an SSL certificate. There are many important reasons why you need an SSL certificate. A secure socket layer certificate was created to encrypt any data shared on a website. When you install it on your Magento e-commerce store, it encrypts any private data shared on the site, such as credit card details and login information. This is essential in keeping such data out of the reach of internet attackers. Number 2. Get the latest version of Magento. We advise you to use the latest version of Magento. The problem is that cybercriminals are always on the lookout for business owners who don't install these upgrades. They use powerful automated tools which help them target vulnerable sites. So you should always be on the lookout for the latest upgrades to avoid being a victim. Number 3. Use strong passwords. You don't want your user information stolen, nor do you want to be blocked out of your company's website. The easiest approach to avoid this is to create strong passwords that are difficult to guess. This will prevent hackers from your website. Number 4. Magento Recaptcha. Using the Magento Recaptcha is a reliable method of preventing spam and protecting yourself from attackers. It works by determining if the access session being initiated on your site is done by a bot or human being to ensure genuine and secure site logins for extra security. Number 5. Backup regularly. The general rule of thumb is to always have a backup in hand in case something goes wrong with your website. Backing up your site will make it extremely simple to recover your Magento e-commerce store if something bad happens. You can do this by downloading your site data through an FTP client and then backing them up in your account. Number 6. Use Magento Scan tool. This tool comes with lots of security options that are specially designed to make it easy to do an automated website security scan. Some of the core features of this tool include saving sessions of security scans in the Magento merchant accounts, scheduling security scans, and giving real-time alerts on configuration issues that can put your site at risk. Number 7. Consult a professional. We know securing your Magento website is very important and it can get tricky. That's why we are here to help. We can help you secure your Magento store in the best way possible. To learn more about the best Magento security practices and other Magento-related information, contact our developers today. Check out the link in the description box below to contact us and know more about our services. That's all you need to do in order to secure your Magento store. Thank you for watching. For more such information and help on Magento, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video.